Gut health revolution. Why probiotics and fermented foods dominate the diets. Your gut is a busy city. Trillions of microbes trading in fiber, polyphenols, and minerals to make compounds your body can't produce alone. When the city thrives, you get steadier energy, calmer digestion, sharper immunity, and better mood signals. That's why probiotics and fermented foods are no longer a niche. They're a daily habit in smart kitchens worldwide. Here's a clear, continuous guide to what matters and how to start. Begin with the big three: probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. Probiotics are live, beneficial microbes you eat, yogurt cultures, kefir grains, certain lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains in capsules. Prebiotics are their food: fibers and resistant starches from onions, garlic, bananas, slightly green, oats, beans, and millets. Postbiotics are the end products: short-chain fatty acids like butyrate that soothe inflammation, feed colon cells, and help tighten the gut barrier. All three work together. Supplements alone can't outrun a low-fiber plate. Fermented foods are the practical on-ramp. Dairy ferments: dahi curd, kefir, buttermilk chas. Veg and grain ferments: idli dosa batter, congee, black carrot yetch rice water, pickles and mustard or sesame oil, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, tempeh, natto. Drinks: kombucha and fermented rice ragi beverages. These bring diverse microbes and acids that make minerals more available and meals easier to digest, especially legumes and whole grains. Daily pattern that sticks: aim for 2 to 3 fermented touches a day, curd or soy yogurt at breakfast, an idli dosa or dokla from a lively batter at lunch, a spoon of fermented pickle or a glass of chase at dinner. Rotate plants for prebiotics: bean, chana salads, mixed veg sabzi, leafy greens, oats or millet, fruit with skins. Add resistant starch a few times a week by cooking potatoes or rice, cooling overnight, and reheating. More fuel for friendly microbes. Supplements: when and how. Use targeted probiotics for short windows, not forever. After antibiotics, during travel, in IBS flares, or when skin allergy symptoms spike with documented dysbiosis. Look for labeled strains, not just species. CFU counts in the billions and evidence for your goal. IG B. infantis 35624 for IBS-like discomfort. L. rhamnosus GG for antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Take daily for 4 to 8 weeks, then reassess. Keep them away from very hot drinks. Store per label, many need refrigeration. Food first, capsules when needed. Safety and fit. Start low, go slow. Bloating can occur as microbes shift. Ease in over 2 weeks. Choose fresh, properly stored ferments. Clean jars, no mold films, sour pleasant smell. For histamine sensitivity or active SIBO, favor low histamine ferments. Fresh yogurt, chayas over aged cheeses or long fermented pickles. And work with a clinician. Immunocompromised people should consult doctors before high-dose supplements. Food ferments are usually gentler. Immunity and mood, the gut-brain lane. Gut microbes train immune cells and produce neurotransmitter precursors. More fiber plus ferments often mean fewer colds and steadier mood. Sleep, sunlight, and movement multiply the effect. Morning light, a 20-minute walk, and a regular sleep window create a daily rhythm your microbes like. Cook smart for microbes and minerals. Soak and sprout pulses to reduce anti-nutrients. Ferment batters warm, not hot, and keep salt measured in pickles to discourage the wrong microbes. Use iron or cast iron pans, then pair with vitamin C, lemon, tomatoes to boost iron uptake, especially helpful on plant-forward diets. A simple 7-day gut reset you can repeat. Day 1 to 2, add 1 fermented item daily: curd, soy yogurt, dokla, plus 2 cups of mixed veg, plus a 20-minute walk. Day 3 or 4, swap 1 refined grain for millet or brown jaw hand-pounded rice. Cool and reheat once for resistant starch. Day 5 to 6, 1 legume bowl daily: rajma, chana, moong, with cumin, ginger, and asafoetida for comfort. Sip chas with roasted jeera. Day 7, Include a raw cooked veg duo at lunch, a fruit with skin, and a spoon of pickle. Reflect, less bloat, better energy, adjust and repeat. Kids, seniors, athletes, tailor the plate. Kids, small daily curd, soy yogurt, fruit, and idly dosa. Keep spice moderate. Seniors, softer textures, extra protein per bite. Curd, soy yogurt, dal, and vitamin B12D checks if fully plant-based. Athletes, keep ferments but mind tolerance on race day. Build fiber away from key sessions. Add sodium and chais for hot climates. Common myths, quick answers. All pickles are junk. Not true. Oil, salt-balanced, home-style pickles in clean jars can be probiotic rich. Portion is the key. Kombucha cures everything. It's a tangy tea. Enjoy it. Don't expect miracles. Probiotics replace bad food. No, the best results come when ferments meet fiber and sleep. Travel and antibiotics. Before trips, take a multi-strain probiotic for 2 weeks. On the road, choose sealed yogurt, cooked ferments, and peeled fruit. With antibiotics, separate doses by a few hours and continue probiotics for 1-2 weeks after. Keep fiber high unless your clinician advises a temporary low residue plan. The gut thrives on diversity, fiber, and gentle ferments, not extremes. 2 fermented foods a day, plenty of plants, and smart short-term supplements when needed can reset digestion, immunity, and mood. Make the microbiome your quiet daily project, and your body will do the rest. For microbiome-friendly meal plans, beginner fermentation guides, and evidence summaries in plain language, visit globalinfoveda.com.